Now listen, we all know the Boston Bruins love to do stuff within our community. Well, the Battle of the Books presented by Velcro Companies is another example of that. It's a contest where schools around the region read and submit their favorite books in a bracket style-like competition. And the winners, well, they get a very special Bruins BFit Assembly. Check it out.
We want to get really loud for Velcro Companies. 1, 2, 3.
Velcro Companies believes that the pathway to knowledge is literacy. A couple of years ago, we joined up with the Boston Bruins to support reading in the communities around the Boston area.
The winner in this round of the Battle of the Books was South Elementary School in Plymouth, Massachusetts, and they definitely enjoyed their prize.
Well, we got one other big special guest. It's hard to get him out. You have to say, "Let's go Bruins." 1, 2, 3.
My class's experience with Velcro Companies' Battle of the Books was extremely positive. It was very motivating.
The program here at South Elementary School was really exciting. There was such great energy in the crowd, and it was awesome to see the kids be rewarded for all of their hard work.
It was really great to have won this program through Velcro Company because my kids, I've had them for 2 years. We're like a family, and they're big Bruins fans.
Velcro Companies wants to make sure that kids know how important it is to read every day. Knowledge is power, and we want to really work with communities to build future leaders. Future leaders read all the time, and so we encourage children to read any chance they get.